This video is demonstrating the usage of ophthalmology surgery kits, item number ZB36861, which is applied in draping procedure of eye surgery. Take up the ophthalmic drape. Find out its human shape marking and put the drape under neck to spread to left and right. Then spread along the arrow direction towards legs. Tear off the release paper. Aim the hole at eye to adhere and spread the drape. Gently press the inside drape and make it closely adhered to skin. If necessary, the op-tape for eyelash could be used. Now the draping is completed.